What if I told you there's a plan for when a city-killer asteroid is heading our way? It sounds like a movie plot, but it's a real-life scenario scientists and governments prepare for. The goal is to spot these potentially hazardous asteroids years, even decades, in advance. This gives us time to figure out how to minimize impact or even stop them. But here's the tricky part. From the moment we detect a threat, there's a long period of uncertainty. Imagine knowing an asteroid might hit, but not knowing exactly where for years. The impact risk corridor could cover entire countries or continents. This creates a huge challenge for public communication and managing anxiety. It's a global tabletop exercise playing out in real time with incredibly high stakes. How do we make the right choices when we don't have all the answers? We, at the Department of Geology and Geoenvironment, ran an asteroid threat scenario with our students on a multi-phase tabletop exercise to find out what they came up with and more on the subject. Don't forget to like and subscribe.